Hi, Dan from Dan Wagner Window Cleaning. Talking about our guarantee. As a company, we guarantee we will do exceptional work, that we guarantee you'll be happy with the work we did. We will not leave a mess that we should be cleaning up, and we will make sure you are happy. No well, there's a stipulation, there's not a catch. Um, we're only guaranteeing what we do. Sometimes people have us clean just outside windows, for instance, and we can't guarantee how the insides look since we're only cleaning the outsides. But what we are doing, we guarantee, we stand behind it. And if you're unhappy with something and you give us an opportunity to fix it and we can't fix it, you don't pay a penny ultimately, or you get your money back if you already paid. So we guarantee that. It's called risk reversal, but it's certainly a win-win for both parties. Just a little synopsis of what we guarantee, and as I've said before, no smoking, no swearing, no snooping, and what I always say, you'll like what you see.